it's Stacy. So I thought I would film a little video today. This is totally a different angle because I'm actually sitting on my floor because I have a bunch of shoes down here. So I'm going to show you kind of like a little shoe haul, and then I'm going to update y'all on, I did my eyebrows last night and they still burn. Ooh, they sting because I had so many like stray hairs. Like it was, well, they weren't stray. I mean, it was like straight up bush. So like I had to, anyways, so and it's really early. It's like 6:15 in the morning, so I've been up a couple hours, but yeah. So first thing I'll do is update you on my, well, there's really not an update on weight loss, but I've had a lot of people ask me, you know, what I've been doing and everything because, you know, not to toot my own horn, but I am doing good. I'm doing really good, and I'm really proud of myself. And I guess I'm laughing because that kind of sounds like, I don't know, like, yeah, I'm doing really good. Yeah, okay. No, but no, it's not like that. It's just like, you know, I've been on this journey, you know, this time since January of this year. And as y'all know, I struggled, you know, big time the first time I started my last channel back in October 2010. I mean, I really struggled. It was just, you know, just all over the place. So for me to have started January 2012 and it be almost August and, you know, have lost 25 pounds, kept it off, and still have just as much, Foxy, and that's Max. That's my baby right there. Have just as much drive and passion for working out and eating correctly as I do. You know, it's something to be really proud of because, you know, like I said in my last video, I think I said it in a video, I honest to goodness get confused between my videos and my Facebook because I have a Facebook page totally dedicated to weight loss. It's called Stacy's Weight Loss Page, and I say a lot of things about how I'm doing, updating y'all, what I'm eating, and things like that. So I get confused on what I've told my channel. But anyways, yeah, I'm just at a really good place. Like I said earlier, I've been asked a lot, like what I'm doing, what, you know, what am I doing differently this time that I didn't do last time? And I really feel like the key thing that I'm doing this time that I didn't do last time is being patient. Extremely patient, because that first month in January, I did lose 20 pounds. So, well, between January and early February. So I dropped the 20 pounds extremely quickly, and it was, you know, simply because I came off of that medication that had made me gain the weight. So that's why. And then since February till now, I've only lost 7 pounds. So if you do the math, I have lost a pound a week since starting in January. So you have to understand, 6 months and really not losing much of anything, it's difficult. It really, I mean, y'all know, if y'all are going through it, it's difficult. And you really have to have a lot of patience and just have faith that what you're doing is the best thing that you can do. You have to know that, okay, no matter if that scale is moving or not, I know that there's nothing more, you know, I'm doing the best that I can do, and I have faith that it's going to show up eventually. And, you know, the first thing I've noticed, I started noticing, even though my weight loss had stopped, was that holy moly, my clothes are not fitting, you know, things like that. I had to get smaller clothes, and now I'm just rambling. But yeah, I would say that's my biggest thing is patience, patience, patience. My second biggest thing is don't deprive yourself. That's what works for me. I'm not at all saying, hey, you know, if you're craving cheeseburgers, go get some. No, that's not it at all. That's not what I mean. I mean, don't, and this is just me. This is not how I think everybody, you know, works. This is just what works for me. You know, if I'm craving, okay, say I'm craving something like sushi, which the kind of sushi I like is tempura, so it's a little higher in calorie. If I'm craving that, I don't go right out and get it. You know, I don't go right out and get it because, you know, you have to control yourself. You know, there are certain things you control. But what I do is if I want it, you know, I plan for it the next day or something, you know, and I add it into my calories. Or if I have enough calories that day, then I go ahead and eat it. If I want a soda every now and then, which to be honest, I probably have maybe 3 a week, you know, I drink it and I put it into my calories. I work out, I get on my elliptical, 10 minutes, probably, I would say 3 to 5 times a week. I really don't know. It just depends. And I've recently incorporated leg lifts because I'm working on my butt because it needs some serious work. And then, arm workouts with my 2 pound weights. And I do some arm exercises because I am getting to the point where, you know, I've only got about 25 to 30 pounds left to lose, and it's time to start, you know, strength training and toning as well. So that's what I'm doing. I'm still using my FitnessPal. I've been calorie counting since January, and I honestly enjoy it, so it's not like a chore for me. So I don't see myself honestly ever stopping. I mean, because I feel like even when I get to my goal weight, like, this is an ongoing thing. It's not going to be just like, okay, I'm at my goal weight, you know, let's go back to our old habits. No, not at all. I'm going to continue to log everything. I'm going to continue to exercise. You know, you can't just go back to your old habits because you get your old body back. And, yeah, so that's, you know, update. I haven't really lost any weight. I'm still, I was at 173 the other day, which was so great. That's the lowest I've been on this journey yet. So that's so exciting. But now I'm kind of fluctuating between up to even 177, but still down to 173. So, you know, fluctuating, but I don't really care. I know that I'm losing weight, and yeah, it feels good. Okay, so let me show y'all a little small haul that I have. My back hurts from when I was doing my leg lifts and stuff. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is a shirt, and if you're on my Instagram or my Facebook, then you've already seen this shirt because I wore it to my niece's birthday party. And because the light is so bright, I don't know if you'll be able to see the true color, but it's a blush pink, and I got it from Daily Look. And on the collar, I'm a big, like, I love collared shirts. I love the way they look. I think they're very polished and sophisticated looking. So I've always been into collared shirts. I think they're just, and Oxford shirts, love them. And my husband actually really loves them on me too, which is pretty cool. Can y'all tell, like, my décolleté, I've lost weight? I don't know. That's something I've recently noticed. It's like, you can start to see my collarbone, which is, you know, exciting. Okay, anyways, and it buttons up, and I will say that if you order any, this is how it's supposed to be worn. It's got the little holes. If you order anything off Daily Look, the largest size that I've seen is a large, and because I have a large chest, bust, boobs, whatever, it fits everywhere except the bust. I mean, it fits, I can button it, but it pulls. So what I did to wear this is I put a white little tank under it, and I unbuttoned it, and I started buttoning it here, so not on my boobs, and then I had a really beautiful, like, sparkly accent belt around it. And if you want to see a picture, like I said, go to my Instagram or go to my Facebook page, and you'll see a picture. It's really cute, and I love this shirt. I love Daily Look. I think they have absolutely great outfits. My mother even really likes Daily Look. She's never ordered anything off of it, but she really likes the site. Okay, so Next thing I got are my shoes from Just Fab. Love these shoes. Love them. I forgot which ones these are. I know that's not very helpful, but I love bows. I know it might look like a whole ton of bows, and it is, but it's really super cute on. Like, they're so cute and they're so comfortable and they're really well made. I mean, I could seriously run a marathon in these. Like, they're really comfortable. So yeah, those were my first pair of Just Fab shoes. The first pair I sent back. Next I got these really cute sandals from Mossimo from Target. And they're really great because they're really cute, and I actually have a belt kind of very similar to this that I actually wore with that collared shirt. So I adore these. These are beautiful. And then, okay, I love Sperry's. I don't know if everybody knows what Sperry's are, but they're like boat shoes. Well, they make other things too, but they're mostly known for their boat shoes, and they're adorable. But they're kind of on the expensive side. They're around $80 to $90 a pair, and yeah, I just love the look of them. And eventually I'm gonna get a pair just because I want some. But I actually found these at Target, and these are an exact like look of one of the newest Sperry like styles. It's this like almost chrome-ish gold copper-ish thing, and these were like $10 at Target, and they are super comfortable, and I adore these shoes. I think they're great because they're like Sperry lookalikes. So yeah, that's my weight loss update and my haul, and yeah, I'm about to do some more exercising, and then yeah, y'all have a great day. I love you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.